Well, we have had a major winter storm here in St. Louis. Schools are closed, businesses are closed, traffic's a mess, people can't get out, people are trapped in their homes without bread and milk. The governor is thinking about calling out the National Guard. The television stations are exclusively reporting this storm. All regular programming has been canceled. So I'm out here, I've got my tape measure. I'm going to show you just how much snow we've gotten here in St. Louis. Let me get this, I'll stick this in the snow and then I'll show you what we're talking about. That is almost a ½ inch of snow that has fallen here. Right now there's flurries. That's limiting visibility when you're driving through all these flurries that we have. So keep us in your thoughts, keep us in your prayers. We'll get through this, we always do.